Hi, it's Chris Porridge here from Coed Lleol, Small Woods, Wales, and I'm just sitting here in my local woodlands, just trying to relax a little bit, maybe thinking about one of Sabina's mindfulness sessions that we deliver on a Friday morning at 10:30 a.m. and then I just hear the birds singing. It's very nice, but I think, oh, what's that bird? I wish there was a way of finding out what that bird was without having to kidnap Yola Williams, because he doesn't really like it very much, and hopefully for lots of you amateurs out there, including me, hopefully this will be of some interest. I'm just going to do a quick search for birdsong recognition UK, and this top one here, Birdnet, pops up. There are other ones, but this is the one that I've just started to use. So if you click on that and you download it and then open it, and it opens up this display here. So I'm just going to pause it for now. Record sound and pause sound. They're the two basics from this app. So I've just loaded up the RSPB bird call, and what I'm doing, I'm just going to play it through my speakers. So goldfinch on my phone. I'm recording it, so I've got a good amount of goldfinch there. And then you click the select button. I'm going to select that area there just with my finger, so that between the two white bars, press analyze. European goldfinch, almost certain. So that's as good as it gets there. Let's give the next one a go. Great hit. So I'm just going to record. Do the same thing again. Just I put my finger on the screen, push along to the right to the area I want, press analyze. Great hit, almost certain. Let's go down here, see if there's any other ones. Let's try the long-tailed tit. It's not quite how they sound in my garden, but let's see. Long-tailed tit, almost certain. Oh, let's have a go. Chaffinch. Chaffinch. Oh, it's very good, isn't it? Let's try greenfinch. European greenfinch, almost certain. Well, let's give a wren a go. Almost certain it's a wren. Blackcap. Oh, well, there we go. Not bad, eh? Right, let's try something a little bit less common. Well, in my garden, in the woodlands. Seddy's warbler, almost certain. Pretty good. Let's record on the app. What's that lies? Willow warbler, almost certain. Right, well I think that's pretty good. Thank you very much for your time. Hopefully you found this video of interest, and if you'd like to see some more, please like and subscribe to the Coed Lleol YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.